Growing up, we each had our own idol. Siguro ng mga bata pa tayo, we always looked up to fictitious superheroes, those that are found in the comic books. Pero habang lumalaki tayo, siguro nagmamature, nagiging totoong tao yung mga ina-idol natin. Nagiging siguro yung doktor natin, mga siblings natin, mga parents natin, or even our teachers. Basta, ang sigurado lang doon sa mga idol natin, they're experts in their own fields. They're always very knowledgeable kung ano man yung ginagawa nila. Ngayon siguro panahon na para baliktarin natin ang sitwasyon. Let's aspire to inspire. Tayo naman, subukan nating maging idol. Baka nga yung ilan sa inyo dyan mga idol na. Siyempre, mga lasalista kayo Pero, a few months ago, I had the chance to host this show called Philippine Idol. And hindi alam ng marami that among the top 12, there are 3 lasalistas that came from 4 different schools, namely DLSU, CSB, there's De La Salle Zobel, and of course, La Salle Green Hills. Ito po, ang mga future idols ng music industry natin. Please welcome Gian Magdangal, Dre Ibanez, and Miguel Mendoza.
Oh yeah, Gian!
All right. Give it up again for Gian. Come on.
Hey.
How are you, man?
Sana walang matanggal sa atin ngayong gabi, no?
Sana nga.
Yung kinanta ko kanina yun, na natanggal ako Ginakabahan ako.
Ako yung kinanta ko kanina, yun yung nag-brown out ng episode.
Ayos.
Anyway.
Oo nga. I remember last year, di ba, when I joined Philippine Idol, I was still in high school in La Salle Zobel. And I was the youngest.
May
ng mga
hakot ka.
finalists.
May hakot ka.
Wala. Kung saan nagpunta dito.
What did you say? You're the youngest? Huh? You're the youngest?
Yes, I am
If
the youngest.
Miguel was the youngest,
I am 17.
I was one of the, let's just say, not so youngest.
Ay, hindi ka ba yung youngest?
Ako yung shortest.
Oo.
Pero as you can see, age and height did not matter dahil magkakaibigan kami ngayon. You know, I believe that it's because we all share the same Lasallian education. And I'm a graduate of the LSU, and I find myself back in school right now. I'm taking up my 2nd degree. It's in music production in CSB.
Ako, nainggit nga ako eh.
All right, may mga CSB pala dito.
All right.
Yeah, that's my 2nd degree right now. So,
Naks. Ako naman, as for me, I'm glad to be back here in my alma mater, La Salle Green Hills. Sorry, home base eh. I'm really glad to be back here kasi this is where my dreams to become a performer started. Way back in Kundirana, 1998. And yes, Kundirana. And I guess for Dre, Miguel, and myself,
we are all trying to fulfill our dreams.
yes, we are trying to fulfill our dreams here.
And the future begins here.
Yes, and the future begins here. And thanks to the Lasallian education.
Yeah,
and,
to those who supported this program, we would like to thank you because you gave a brighter future for our new scholars.
Yes.
All right, para po sa inyo itong susunod na awitin namin.
Magsimula ka, tuparin ang pangarap mong tunay, habang ang lakas iyo pang taglay sa paghihintay. Baka masanay
Sayang naman ang buhay, mawawalan ng saysay.
Isa lang ang buhay mo, kumilos ka, gabitin mo. Kung may nais ang puso mo, mangarap ka, abutin mo. Upang ito'y makamit mo, magsikap ka, simulan mo.
Simula ka, pilitin at tuklasin ang hanap, habang ang sapat iyon ang malalaman sa paghihintay. Baka masanay.
sayang naman ang buhay. Gamitin mo kung may nais ang puso mo. Mangarap ka, abutin mo